I don't know about anybody else, but I like this proposal by local football rabble rouser, Mr. Craig Butler, that the argument between himself and the Jamaica Football Federation and the national coaching staff should be settled by his Phoenix Academy facing off with the Jamaica national team over 2 legs, one in Mobay and one in Kingston. We like it. This is like the shootout at OK Carroll. The last man standing win. We like it. Of course, it's now up to the JFF to examine the offer and negotiate their terms. This clash would be a marketer's dream and would provide a perfect opportunity for Butler to showcase his much talked about Phoenix Academy players, not just to the national coaching staff, but to the Jamaican public, so that the people can see for themselves if he's really fight JFF a fight against the Phoenix players. Of course, Jamaican football has been longing for a star, and right now, Phoenix and Craig Butler have that star in Leon Bailey. On the JFF side, this is a bailout for them, a perfect platform to reintroduce the Jamaican fans to the Reggae Boys team, and to do it with the extra hype and the ingredients from the Butler JFF war. Of course, people are already saying that the match is not going to happen because Butler this and Butler that. But I know that. Anyhow, JFF accept these matches. Me feel Coach Tapper with more, I'll go up and leave. Suppose the game them play and Phoenix beat the Reggae Boys and Kyle Butler score a hat-trick. Them gonna talk to Craig Butler, Tapper, and Mr. Ricketts would have to run away. The match now go up. Figure out it, figure out it, now go up.